Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about union and conditional split in SSIS. The union transformation combines multiple inputs into one output. The conditional split transformation can route data rows to different outputs depending on the content of the data. My company decided to combine our branch with another branch together. My boss asked me to give him a general list and every department list. Our branch employee information in our database. Another one gave me a flat file. Firstly, I create a data flow task. Name is general list. Click data flow task. Drag in an OLEDB source. Connect to our database. Choose Employee table. Click OK. Then drag in a flat file source. Connect to new data folder. Branch list. Mapping employee ID, department ID, salary. Data types is 4 by signed integer, DTI4. Drag in a union. Check mapping between columns. Drag in a flat file destination named as general. Connect to new output folder. General txt file. Then mapping it. Copy data flow task. General list. Named as department list. Move out the flat file destination. Drag in a conditional split. Output name, source, condition, department name, equal source. Output name, HR, condition, department name, equal HR. Before output name, admin. Move in 3 flat file destination. Link every of them. Output source. Named this destination is source. Connect to new output folder. Sales, TST. Then mapping it. Output, HR. Named this destination is HR. Connect to new output folder. HRTST. Then mapping it. Last one named as admin. Connect to new output folder. Admin txt. Then mapping it. Finally, we link to that flow task, then execute the package. Let's check the results. We got 4 files, 1 for all, 3 for different departments. All done. Perfect job. Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.